Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to build your very own AI chatbot in Python using OpenAI's API. This is a super fun and powerful project and you won't believe how easy it is to actually get it up and running. If you ever wanted to build your own AI assistant or bot that can hold a conversation, this is for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, you need to install the OpenAI Python library. So head on over to your terminal or command prompt and type pip install OpenAI. This will allow Python to talk to the OpenAI API, which powers our chatbot. Now let's open our Python file and start writing some actual code. First, we're going to import the OpenAI library. Next, we're going to create a variable called OpenAI key, and in here we're going to say your API key here. This is the placeholder for now, and later on we'll actually paste in our API key. For now, let's continue building our chatbot. Next, we're going to create a function that sends messages to ChatGPT and gets responses back. We're going to define a function called chat with ChatGPT, and in these parentheses, we're going to have a prompt and history with an empty list. In this function, we're going to say history.append, role user content and prompt. Then we're going to create a variable called response, and we're going to set it to openai.chatCompletion.createModel GPT-3.5 Turbo and message history. And then we're going to close this. Now we're going to create a variable called reply, and we're going to set it to response. In the square brackets, we're going to have choices, 0, message, and content. Then we're going to say history.append role, assistant, content, and reply. And finally, we're going to return reply and history. Let me break what's going down over here real quick. We're using chatCompletion.create to send a message. This model is set to GPT-3.5 Turbo, which is fast and reliable. We provide a conversation history, one system message that says the behavior, and one user message, which is the actual question or prompt. And the function returns the bot's reply. Now let's create a loop that lets us chat with the bot in real time. First, I'm going to add this line. What this line does, that ensures that our program is being run in the main file and not being imported elsewhere. Then we're going to print chatbot is ready, type exit to quit, and we'll have this on a new line. Then we're going to create a variable called chat history, and we're going to set it to an empty list. Then we're going to say while true, in this loop, we're going to have a variable called user input. And we're going to set this variable to input u. If user input.lower equals exit, so if the user enters exit, break out of the loop. Now we're going to say reply chat history equals chat with GPT user input chat history. And then we're going to print the bot's reply. Now before running the code, we need to get the API key. So head on over to this link, it will be in the description of this video. Then you're going to log in or sign into your OpenAI account and then click on settings. In here, you're going to click on API keys and then create new key. Click on this and it will give you an API key. Paste it in the OpenAI key section of the code. And that's it, you've built your very own Python chatbot powered by ChatGPT. Super simple, super powerful, and I can customize it however you like. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or you just want to say hi, then leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.